Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today's lecture is about triangle and its types, and I will give you complete tutorial with diagrams. So before defining triangle, I want to tell you what is collinear and non-collinear points. Okay, so collinear points are those points when two or more than 2 points which lie on the same straight line with respect to that line. So consider a straight line and 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. So according to definition, point A and point B lie on the straight line while point C does not lie on the straight line. So that's why point A and B are collinear points, while point C is not collinear point. I will summarize the collinear points by writing this, that A and B are collinear points, right? So now moves to the non-collinear points. So this is totally reciprocal of collinear points, right? So according to definition, when two or more than 2 points which does not lie on the same straight line with respect to that line, right? So in this there is also consider a straight line and 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. So according to definition, point C does not lie on straight line. That's why point C is non-collinear points, right? So suppose if we draw a line by joining point A and point C, then collinear points are point A and C, right? And point B is non-collinear points because this is not in straight line, right? So when I summarize non-collinear points are those points which does not lie on the same straight line with respect to that line. Okay. So now moves to the triangle. The term triangle originates from Latin word tri meaning three and angulus meaning angle. As the name suggests, a triangle is a geometric shape characterized by three angles, right? So according to definition, a closed figure in a plane obtained by joining three non-collinear points is called triangle. Now moves to types of triangle. There are total 6 types of triangle. 3 types of triangles are based on sides and 3 types of triangles are based on angles. So when we talk about types of triangles which is based on sides, there are 3 types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. And when we talk about types of triangles which is based on angles, there are 3 types of triangles: right angle triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle. So now I will explain types one by one which is based on sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. So in equilateral triangle, if the length of all the 3 sides of triangle are same, then triangle is called an equilateral triangle. So the length of all the 3 sides are equal, and as usual triangle is made from 3 non-collinear points: point A, point B, point C. There are also some angles between them. And now I will mark sign of equality, which is parallel two small lines on 3 sides. In summary, an equilateral triangle is a triangle with 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Let's move on to isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, if the length of 2 sides are equal while length of third side is different, then triangle is called an isosceles triangle. So the length of 2 sides are equal, and as usual triangle is made from 3 points: point A, point B, and point C. Now I will mark sign of equality, which is parallel to small lines on 2 equal sides. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides and two equal angles. Let's move on scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, if the length of all the three sides are different, then triangle is called scalene triangle. And as usual, triangle is made from 3 points, point A, point B, point C. Now I will not mark equality sign on any side because length of these sides are different. In summary, a scalene triangle is that triangle in which all the three sides are different in terms of length. So now moves to the types of triangles which are based on angles. So when we talk about types of triangle which is based on angles, there are also three types of triangles: right angle triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle. In right angle triangle, a triangle in which one of its angles has measure equal to 90 degree is called right angle triangle. As usual, triangle is made from three non-collinear points, which is point A, point B and point C. According to definition, one angle has measure equal to 90 degree. So when we summarize this concept, so the right angle triangle is that triangle in which angle between AB and AC is equal to 90 degree. Is this angle, right? So now moves to the acute triangle. Acute triangle is that triangle in which all the three angles is less than 90 degree is called acute triangle. Okay. So this is also made from three non-collinear points. In this, according to definition, in this there are three angles which is less than 90 degree. This is also less than 90 degree. This is also less than 90 degree, and this is also less than 90 degree. Okay. If the lines is straight, then angle becomes is 90 degree. But this is not straight. Angle is less than 90 degree. So this is acute triangle. Okay. So when we summarize this triangle, so in this way, that the three angles is less than 90 degree. So now moves to the obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle is that triangle in which one of its angles has measure greater than 90 degree is called obtuse triangle. Close figure with by joining three non-collinear points, point A, B and C. In this triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degree, which is angle between AB and BC is greater than 90 degree. So when we summarize this concept, so one angle is greater than 90 degree. This type of triangle is called obtuse triangle. So that's all from my side. If you have any question regarding this, so do let me know in comment section, and I will make sure to make video on your given topic. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Allah Hafiz.